Here I have OnePlus Ace 3, and today I'm going to show you how to set this device up. So firstly you tap on this arrow, then you select preferred language. I'll just stay with English, tap next. Then you should select your region, could be United Kingdom for me, tap continue. Then you have to agree with user agreement and privacy protection, tap next. Then you can connect SIM card, but if you don't have SIM card on, you can just skip this step and tap next. Then you can transfer data from your previous Android device or iPhone or iPad, or you can just skip this step and set up device manually without transferring any data. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but if there is no opened Wi-Fi network, you can just skip this step and do this later. Then you have Google services, which I suggest you to turn off. Tap accept. Then you can set up screen lock. You can set up fingerprint, face unlock, or just password. Or you can skip it and do this later in settings. Then you should select navigation method. I suggest you to use gestures. If you don't know how to use them, you have a tutorial here. Then you have these recommended features, like if you know more about them, try using them, but I suggest you to disable it all. Tap done and your device is all set up. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.